and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.
Welcome to my YouTube channel.
Like, share and subscribe to my channel.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله akí Ọlọ́run adúpẹ́ lọ́dọ̀ Ọlọ́run a tọrọ ìkẹ́gẹ́ fún ọ̀gá wa aṣíwájú wa Ànábì wa Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam kíkẹ́ Ọlọ́run kó máa wà pẹ̀lú Ànábì àti gbogbo èyí tí ẹ̀ ń gbọ́ mi ní àkókò yìí. Ọ̀rọ̀ tí mo fẹ́ bá wa sọ yìí, ọ̀rọ̀ náà àwọn ọmọ wa ni mo fẹ́ bá sọ̀rọ̀ lélẹ̀ tó jẹ́ pé màá máa fi èdè òyìnbó díẹ̀ sínú àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ náà tí n bá wa sọ, torí àwọn tó jẹ́ pé wọ́n lè má gbọ́ Yorùbá dáadáa nínú àwọn ọmọ wa. All praises, all thanks be to Almighty Allah, the Lord of the world. We thank Almighty Allah for everything that Allah has done in our life. Without Almighty Allah, we wouldn't have been able to be where we are today. It is everything that we have achieved today. Everything belongs to Almighty Allah and Allah alone. Alhamdulillah. My dear children, I would like to briefly tell you how much we cherished the gift that Almighty Allah has given to us in you. Because having you in our life is the most beautiful things that we ever pray for, and we thank Almighty Allah for bringing every one of you into our life. But there is one thing: when you had a child, it is the aspiration, it is the prayer of every child or of every parent that every child that God has given to them should be successful, should be great in life. It is the aspiration of every parent you have out there. It is the aspiration of every parent you have out there. Gbogbo òbí pátá ló fẹ́ kọ́ ọmọ wọn ṣoríire. Kò sóbí náà tí ò ní fẹ́ kọ́ ọmọ ẹ̀ kó ṣoríire. Àwa dúpẹ́ lọ́dọ̀ Ọlọ́run, àdẹ̀bẹ̀ Ọlọ́run wa Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, ìpè gbogbo yín pátápátá lẹ máa ṣoríire. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin ọmọ wa pátápátá lágbára Ọlọ́run lẹ máa ṣoríire. Àwọn nǹkan kan wà tó ń lọ ní society wa lélẹ̀ tó jẹ́ pé ó lè má jẹ́ kí ọmọ téèyàn ti ń retí pé kó ṣoríire kó ọmọ yẹn ṣoríire. Kí ni àwọn nǹkan náà? Mo mọ̀ pé ẹ̀yin ọmọ wa tẹ́ bá notice ìgbà míì àwa tá a jẹ́ parent yín a máa bá yín fa àwọn issue kan nínú ilé. Ẹ̀yin ọmọ wa nígbà yẹn ẹ máa rò pé why tí dáàdi ṣe ń bá mi farú nǹkan yìí, why tí mọ́mí ṣe ń bá mi fa nǹkan yìí. Irú ọmọ tí ó wà ní school tí kò bá serious, àmọ́ nǹkan tó lè ṣẹlẹ̀ sí ọmọ bẹ́ẹ̀. So but we need to let our children understand one thing. Before you embark on any journey in life, there is a repercussion for that journey. Tá bá sọ pé à ń ṣàdúrà fún yín pé a fẹ́ kẹ́ ṣoríire, kì í ṣe pé bóyá a fẹ́ gba ọlá tí Ọlọ́run bá ṣe fún yín. A fẹ́ kó jẹ́ pé nígbà táwa ti ṣoríire kó wá jẹ́ pé ẹ̀yin wá di ẹni tó máa kó bàtà fẹ́ gbé wọn. We don't want to be a slave to your friends, to your children of your age, or people that are older than you. We want you to be self-dependent. We want you to be successful. That is why sometimes we victimize you, we fight you, we talk to you sometimes, we encourage you sometimes. And despite all this, we also pray, we fast, all because we want you to be better than us. The most important exercise in our life to you is to find a way how we are going to make you a better person than us. Ẹ̀yin ọmọ wa, kò sí nǹkan tá a fẹ́ gbà, a fẹ́ kí gbogbo yín ṣoríire ni. Àwọn nǹkan wá ń lọ ní society wa lénìí. Ẹ̀yin ọmọ wa tá à ń náwó lé lórí, tá à ń ṣe gbogbo nǹkan tó yẹ ká ṣe fún yín. Àwa rí wípé ẹ̀ ń join ẹgbẹ́ òkùnkùn, ẹ̀ ń rìnrìn kùnrin, ẹ̀ ń kẹ́gbẹ́kẹ́gbẹ́, ẹ̀ ń wàwákùwà káàkiri, ẹ̀ ń lé nǹkan tí ò ṣe káàkiri. Àwọn nǹkan tí ò yẹ kó a máa bá yín níbẹ̀, à ń bá yín níbẹ̀. Ẹ̀yin ọmọ tẹ́ wà ní secondary school, ẹ̀ ń join secret cults. There is a repercussion for every step you take in life. There is going to be a consequence at the end of every journey. Ọmọ tá a bá bá sọ̀rọ̀, tí ọmọ yẹn bá fi lè gbọ́rọ̀, tó listen sí wa, tó ṣe titi wa, tó gbọ́ titi wa, tó gba tiwa, there is a repercussion for that. I want you to know this. It is very, very important that you keep this at the back of your mind. There is a reward for everything you do. See, let me tell you, as a Muslim, you are allowed to do anything, but you are not allowed to do whatever you want to do. You have the freedom to do whatever you want to do, but you cannot do anything you like. You cannot do anything you like. Let me tell you, you cannot kill yourself. You cannot destroy your life. You cannot engage in any evil activities. You are not allowed to do that. You are not allowed to take your life, no matter what you are going through in life. You cannot disobey Allah. You cannot walk in the midst of evil people. You cannot listen to the word of shaitan, the word of evil, the word of shaitan, the instruction given to you by shaitan. You cannot disrespect your parents, and etc. My dear children, my dear brothers and sisters, I want you to please to know that you are so precious to we, your parents, even more than a gold. You are much more precious to us, even more than gold. And I want you to know that, the reason why we've been having a little bit of shouting match with you is because we, your parents, we have made some mistakes in life in the past. And our goal right now is that we don't want you to fall victim of some of the mistakes we have made in the past. Afẹ́kẹ́ ṣoríire ni. Àwọn ẹgbẹ́ yín, àwọn ọmọ ọ̀dọ́ tẹ́ wà láyé òde òní, ẹ̀ ń lé owó, ẹ̀ ń lé gbogbo nǹkan, ẹ̀ ń sáré, ẹ̀ ń lé lékúlé, ẹ̀ ń wáwàkúwà. Àwọn nǹkan tí ò yẹ kẹ́ máa sáré lé lọ́wọ́, mo fẹ́ kó yé yín. Ṣé rí ilé ayé yìí? Níjọ́ tá a ti ń bọ̀ wálé ayé, lóníkálukú ti kọ àkọsílẹ̀ nǹkan tó máa jẹ́ láyé wa. Ẹni tó bọ́lọ̀ ń bá máa ṣe ní olówó. Ṣé ní gbogbo wa pátápátá la máa jọ lówó? Every one of us, we are going to be rich in life. But our richness has a level, every level. And each and every one of us, we have level. Allah has designed a level for every one of us. Let me explain this better. Gbogbo apáta la máa lówó, but ibi tó ní kálukú a máa lówó dé, Ọlọ́run ti set ẹ̀. Ẹni tí Ọlọ́run bá ní pé bílíọ̀nù ló máa kà láyé ẹ̀, ẹni yẹn kò sí tó lè ṣe tó lè fi ka trillion. If it has been destined that till the end of your life you will never touch million, there is nothing you can do to touch million in your life. there are some of us that will be doing something of millions of naira, but we will never touch millions of naira. We will never touch it. It has been designed and destined by the Almighty Allah. And I want you to understand one thing. It is not possible for all of us to be billionaire, trillionaire. If it happens like that, this world will be so boring. The world will become so boring. There will be no cleaner. There will be no cabman. There will be no Uberman. There will be no messenger. Ọlọ́run ló ṣe ilé ayé bẹ́ẹ̀. And we need not to destabilize what God has already put in place. Actually, as a human being, it is the desire of every person to be rich in life. But let me tell you, before you depart the soul of your destiny, before you come to this world, you've already destined something. God had already destined something for you, for your life and for your future. So, the best you can do is to accept the judgment of Almighty Allah in your life. And but the fact that you don't have money today does not mean that you are not going to have money. We, your parents, have your parents ever sat you down to tell you the story of what they've been through in life? Let me tell you what my personal self have been through. I've suffered a lot. There are times in my life that if my shoe does not turn into two pieces, I will not have money to buy another one. There are times that I've been through in life that to eat has become so difficult. Life was so tough for me. My dear children, I'm not rich yet today. I don't have the house of my own. I don't have my own car. I don't have a lot of things. But I'm contented with what God has done in my life today. I am so happy for all that Allah has done in my life today. I'm happy for the gift that God has given me today. My dear children, you need to be contented. You have to be contented. You have to be contented. You have to thank God for all that God has done in your life. You have to be appreciative. The little that your parents are spending on you, please appreciate them. And they will only destroy your life. Who are the people I'm talking about? The people you are taking as your mentor, the people you are taking as your special advisor, despite the fact that you know your parents should have been the best advisor you will have. Look at what your parents have done in your life. Look at what they've been through all because of you. Think about everything that you have done in your life. Think about the love, the caring when you were young. Look at what your mommy go through when you were in her womb. You put her through a lot of trauma. You put her through a lot of pains. The day you were coming to this world, have you ever been sat down to talk about what your mother had to go through during your when you were about to come? You put her through a lot of trauma. You put her through a lot of pains. And is she not enough to be taken as your mentor? My dear children, please, for the sake of Allah, Your parents should be the best mentor you will have. Your mother should be the best friend you will have. Those ones who are telling you to disobey your parents were your strong and an open enemy. And Allah has enjoined us in the Quran, لا تتبعوا خطوات الشيطان إنه لكم عدو مبين. These people are only in your life to deceive you. These people are only in your life to cause destruction into your life. They want to destroy every good thing that is about to happen in your life. My dear children, please listen to the word of wisdom. I want you to think about this. One day you will have your own children. If you are doing something that is very good, and your parents and your children do not want to follow you, they do not want to follow the lesson that you are trying to pass on to them, you will never be happy with that. My dear children, please desist from all forms of bad characters, engaging in all sorts of hard drugs, alcohol, and all sorts of things that can destroy, that doesn't increase anything in your life. Those who are telling you that for you to be able to think deeper, you need to be so high, they are only there to destroy your life. They only want to destroy your life. They do not love you. Nobody can love you like your parents. Nobody can think about you like your parents. Nobody can love you like your parents. Nobody really wants the best for you in life like your parents. My dear children, please desist from all sorts of things, activities that we have a very bitter repercussion in your life. I want every one of you to please come back home. Listen to your parents. Discuss whatsoever that is boggling your mind with your parents. Ẹ̀yin ọmọ wa, ikú ò ní pa yín, ẹ ní ṣorí burúkú, ẹ yé kẹ́gbẹ́kẹ́gbẹ́, ẹ yé kọ̀rẹ́kọ̀rẹ́, ẹ yé rìnrìnkùnrin, ẹ má fagídí wá nǹkan. Gbogbo tó lọ́n bá kọ ọmọ yín kò ní kọjá yín, ẹ má sáré kéré. Gbogbo nǹkan tó lọ́n bá ti kọ mọ́ ẹrú, tó lọ́n bá ti kọ mọ́ ẹ̀dá ẹ̀, kò ní kọjá onítọ̀. Ẹ̀yin ọmọ wa, ẹ ní ṣe aṣoríire. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ nítorí Ọlọ́run, ẹ gbéra yín, ẹ jára yín kúrò lọ́wọ́ àwọn ẹni ibi tán fẹ́ bayé yín jẹ́. It is going to cause a big trouble to your life. Please for the sake of Allah, change now. Lágbára Ọlọ́run, ẹ máa ṣoríire o. Ẹ ní ṣòro burúkú o. Àánú Ọlọ́run ní kúrò lórí yín o. Ẹ̀yin ọmọ wa, ògo yín a ṣe yes fún yín, àmín ya Allah. Ògo yín á tàn káàkiri ayé o. Wala hawla wala quwwata illa billah. Subhana rabbika rabbil izzati amma yasifun. Wassalamu ala al-mursalin. Walhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Assalamu alaikum.